This looks like a floating head.
What's up, girl? Sucky, sucky, $5. I can't see shit. I can't see.
Oh God. Oh, that was close. Oh, we made it. So just in case Danny didn't get it, what is it that we're doing?
The seatbelt beep goes off even when the seatbelt's on, and it's very fidgety. So you have to like bang it like every 5 seconds for it to shut up. You have to like kind of hit it. You see? Oh no, it's off. It's off. But if I just slightly touch it, or just there, it's not here. So I'm trying to make it seem that the seatbelt's always on, even if it's not on. You shouldn't do that, but I'm doing it because that beep is annoying. So
you get used to it.
No, you actually don't. You don't. It's just beep, beep, and then it stops, and this random time just comes back on. Yo, this is mad weird. I've never taken off the seat, but these bolts are extremely loose back here. So I think this seat was taken off before. But it makes me think that they tried to fix this once and they couldn't.
Yeah.
Which is kind of shitty because I'm on the way to fix it, or I'm trying to fix it. The seatbelt thing is loose, bro.
Bro, everything is loose, dog.
Oh shit, this is a lot more than just one cable.
Oh shit.
Fuck.
Get the wire strippers.
No, just cut all these wires.
Shit.
Fucking
So we
crazy.
do it back home.
This wasn't in the form. In the form, they made it seem like it was just 3 cables. There's a lot more than 3 cables back here.
Is it? Let me see.
These are the weirdest things.
Yeah, I got it. Those things are gonna be a pain in the dick.
Bro, this one, I understand.
Get
You
a
pull like
flathead.
that. You pull this one. But these last 2, yo, this is like some contraption. I don't know, someone is probably looking at this video and like, bro, you just gotta press this little thing and it comes off. But I don't know what to press. Oh, I'm an idiot.
Oh, and we got it.
That was easy, guys. That was, I don't even try this one. I have no idea. Oh, I lied. It's actually pretty cool. That's pretty cool, actually. And now
You're gonna see where this is wired to.
I'm gonna pull this bitch off. Don't do this like this at home. I just broke this tab. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to take off the tab, but that. I don't give a shit about this car enough. All right.
Yo, honestly.
A chair.
Hey, that's for the game room.
It's a chair, dude.
That's how Danny feels when he's in my car. When I'm shifting those gears, huh?
When he's banging those gears and.
Thank you.
My bad. I thought it was like calling me a bitch. Like,
Wow, fam. It happens.
damn, dog. What happened there?
Yeah, dude, I just got this car. I don't know.
That's disgusting.
It wasn't me, bro. I don't drink shit in here.
Yo, mine is like 1,000 times worse. I dropped the pepperoni and that was just there.
All pepperoni.
Hey, pepperoni. It's still there. You can
What
see
were
it.
you eating? Did you drop just a pepperoni pizza?
No.
No, it was
actually,
just the raw
that was
pepperoni.
Lunchable, bro.
I respect it, bro. I respect. I love you so
Yeah,
much,
put
bro.
some respect on it.
The pizza Lunchables, like.
Pizza?
Peak is this one, bro. I can see over. I think I could drive.
You were humongous. Oh God.
You guys wanna go for a drive?
I'm down.
Let's go.
So what is our mission?
Mission is not to
Safety
fucking
first, mother. I took off the seatbelt. I lied.
Oh, yep, there we go. No seat. No seat belt.
die. This is not recommended.
I want to see if you can drive like this. I'm not gonna lie. I can't see shit. Oh, I just gotta adjust my mirror. There you go. Now I see nothing.
Yeah, you better not fuck up my car.
Bro, you don't have a bumper. What am I gonna break?
You can probably make it better at this point.
That dude took the stop sign.
Whoa.
I'm just a very small person. Why are you guys looking? Like I was looking like, what the f? I'm just a very tiny person, or
dwarf in there.
so I did.
Whoa.
honk at this chick.
You just made her day.
She's like, what the
Mom, today I got catcalled by a tiny person.
by a tiny person?
If only they knew. They think you're tiny and then you step out of the car and they're like, yeah.
6'1", did you say?
Yeah,
What
for real.
the fuck?
This Viking came out of the car. I thought he was little.
This Viking. I don't know what happened. I thought it was a midget.
And then he just got really, really tall.
Oh shit, is that a cop? I'm behind.
Oh god.
That shit was a cop.
That was. Doesn't immediately like e-brake pull to the U-turn.
Yo, I would rush home like, what are you talking about? I never moved my car. I haven't moved. I can't drive without a seat. Are you
I've
crazy?
been working on this car all day.
This is extremely uncomfortable.
Yeah.
My back is gonna explode. I need to go park. Holy shit. Guys, if you guys ever take off a seat, do not drive. I'm just doing this
For you guys.
for you guys. And because I'm a piece of shit. But the seat, oh.
I wonder why he's doing it.
I wonder why it's doing it.
Bitch, you opposite.
No seat or seat belt.
My back is on fire.
You're fixing the seat and everything. Well, I
Jesus
seriously thought
Christ.
you should fix this first.
What?
You should fix this first.
Why?
This shit's like very dangerous, dog. Look at that. Their aerodynamics is all f***ed up.
Yep, that's minus
That's
2
drag,
horsepower.
dog. This is drag.
That guy's a bum? That guy's not a bum.
There is not.
That guy's an entrepreneur, bro. What
Yeah.
are you talking about? That's an OG.
He's going places.
Literally. I was in a drive-thru and I was like in the drive-thru. There's a lady behind me and that was open. I was like flapping like that open. And there's a lady behind me. She's like, "Hey!" She kept honking and I thought she was just crazy or some shit. I ignored her and then she came out of the window. She's like, "Hey!" I put the window. She's like, "Your gas cap is open." I'm like, "Okay." She's like, "Your car's gonna blow up." I'm like, "No, it won't." Well, I think I'm good. And she's like, "You're crazy." Green, red, and black.
No, snap. Ow. I hurt my chest, Miss Jones.
Green, red, and black. I don't have green, red, and black.
What's up?
Shit. So in this form, the guy takes this off with like the pin thing and just puts it in together with this one. But I don't have that tool. So I'm thinking of cutting the green one, stripping some of the black, and putting it on there. What do you guys think?
That's true.
Damn, bro, you got that good squat.
Yeah.
Squat. Squat?
That good guac, that's 50 cents extra.
Damn, dog, I'm talking about food, I'm starving. It says I gotta disconnect the cable. I mean the battery. Let me do that.
Delicious.
So we're doing an engine swap today?
No, just disconnect the battery.
Oh, okay. Same shit.
Safety first.
Yeah, no, we could have fried our nipples. Hey, ese. Oye, chico. You know what you're doing?
Hey, pato. Entra la troca.
Oh yeah, I saw a movie yesterday. It was really good. It's called Escape Room. Have you seen it?
Jigsaw, you mean?
I haven't seen
It's
it.
basically a runoff on
Saw?
on Saw, which I
it
love
good?
Saw.
I'm a bitch about scary things. I don't watch scary movies.
It's not. It's more like a suspense.
Wait, is it good?
It was at the beginning. I was like, "Yo, this is Saw. Like, this is boring." And then it took a turn, a little, and then it got good.
You do you, bro.
Okay. Moment of truth.
Damn, bro. They kicked our freaking Pokemons out.
I did it.
Oh,
Now I'm scared.
now there's no
Dun,
turning back.
dun, dun.
I can't go back. I can't go back.
You're too committed now to go back.
Too
bro.
committed.
That's it.
Past the point of no return.
Okay, I stripped it, but now I need to strip the inside of the black to like kind of bridge it out to here. You're supposed to put it into the pin, but I have a solder, but I don't know where it is.
A solder.
Assaded.
A solder.
Assaded.
Oh, you know what? Can I test it? Is that a thing?
You got multimeter?
No. What I'm saying is, I don't know if by just me doing this, if it's touching the black already.
It has to make contact.
Oh, it's making contact. Here, put the key in.
Battery is not.
Ah,
So you have to do that. Connect the
All right.
battery and then
connect the battery. Just place it there.
Battery connected.
Turn it on. Doesn't say seatbelt's missing. I'm gonna disconnect it now. Did it just park?
Yeah, I did.
Did it?
All right.
Wait, no, it still doesn't say the seatbelt's missing.
You turn it off.
No. Why is this? What? Is this supposed to say seatbelt's missing? Did I just have to unplug the cable?
Uh-oh.
No Nintendo! Alright, turn it off. I'm just gonna do it regardless.
What's your preference to take?
Oh, I got some exposure, baby. No, I would like to get like this piece off.
Yeah. Get a razor. Just take it up.
Bro, if I had the correct tools, I'd just do it correctly.
But you don't.
I don't.
have the correct tools.
Yeah, we're good. This is all we need.
There's a
Yo,
pancake
let me
in
show
the
you
car.
this trick that my boy here.
Oh
just showed
yeah, I
me. It's a life-
discovered something.
Yo,
Discovered.
if you're at a restaurant, you do this and you impress whatever girl you're with
Yep. that's it.
automatically.
Automatically. I'm the
Like,
Christopher
if
Columbus.
she sees
of
you
the
doing
food
this, be
world.
like, yo, if this guy knows this little trick, I can't imagine what other trick he knows.
Why can't I be with the guy?
I mean, I'm not judging you. You can do whatever you want, whatever makes you happy.
That's what's important.
See, look. Look at the next one, right there. Look, that's how you.
What the f?
Yeah, dog. I saw him do that. I'm like,
What is he even doing? What is this black magic?
dope.
So you, like,
'Cause
rub the salt shaker on top
You're
of
not
it?
like jerking off the fucking. Salt and pepper. You just whip it, dog. That's it.
That's fancy.
Whipping the whipping.
We're done, boys.
All right.
I am doing this very shitty.
It is what it is, dog. Yeah, you feel me? You know, you're doing the best you can do. Yeah? You having fun?
Always. Ah! Let's plug this bitch back on.
Yo, so when are we all gonna get motorcycles?
Bro, you guys ready to the party? I had motorcycles.
What happened?
I had a bike. I had bikes.
Oh, you did?
My first bike was a 2001 R6, baby. That was the biggest piece of shit I ever bought.
600 or 1,000?
It was R6, 600.
What? Excuse me. You say duh like you knew exactly what he was talking about.
Duh.
Duh.
Obvious. The
Then after that, I got a
6 and then-
2007 Honda CBR 600. Small. And then I sold that one and I got a ZX10, a 1000 Ninja.
Wow, that was really close to my face.
1000 Ninja. Gotcha, bro.
Danny's like the funniest person to like zoom into his face.
Because how ugly it is.
Yeah.
Don't hate, appreciate.
This
Okay.
makes funny faces.
If I'm ugly, we're all ugly together.
Well, actually, let's test if this bitch works.
You gotta connect that battery.
Yeah.
Oh god.
I think he knows what he's doing. People in Miami.
Shit.
Yeah, let me get on the other
Didn't
side.
work, boys.
No.
My knees. It didn't work?
Oh no, it's your seatbelt. It's your seatbelt.
Oh wait.
Oh, it's your seatbelt.
No, well, what do you mean? It tells me we have both seatbelts.
Oh,
Please,
you ready?
turn off,
Ready?
please turn off.
Wait. I'm trying to do this.
It turned off! It turned off! And I don't have my seatbelt on. No seatbelt, boys. Hashtag no laws.
Hashtag no sleep up, boys.
Yeah, boys. Oh, I can't see
New-
shit
new
now.
merch. New
'Cause there's
merch coming out.
Successful mission.
Can't believe I did it, boys. I
Now,
feel so happy.
on to the next project. We're gonna do a transmission and engine swap on this Honda.
No, nah.
What? Why?
No, nah. Hell no.
Baby steps then.
That's not a baby step.
Baby steps into straight transmission.
Yeah, fix the seatbelt, baby step. Transmission swap. Let's go.
I
know you guys look at shit, but I'm actually really fucking excited now.
Well, Holmes. Hey, Chico, we made it, man. We made it. Now, We go to Taco Bell.
I don't know if that's racist or not. I'm not.
I don't even know that was like a Mexican accent.
I
Actually,
don't know.
Like, oh, Ming. The
like,
Cuban as
changed
fuck.
from, like,
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
Stargaze.
Ming.
Ming.
He went from like Mexican to Cuban to
Wait,
American.
Vato.
Yo, check out this guy on his bike. He's going
Vato.
fast as f. Hey, there's a stop sign there.
Oh hell no.
No laws. She's part of the No Law Boys.
Oh, that's what it is.
New merch.
No, racist boys. We should actually follow the law, guys. We're lawmen.
Or men of law.
You cashed in on